Hey guys, it's Bryce, and today I'm going to be showing you my new NERF gun. And it is the NERF Longshot, a very great gun to use. And the first detail is it is a sniper rifle, and it comes with two clips. One right here that can hold a clip right here, and one that can hold one right here. It comes with a scope, and it comes with the front gun. And it has a stand right here. That's what I like about the gun, that it has a stand and it's very powerful. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and make a like. And leave a like, I mean.